We established our temporary camp inside a massive underground hall the locals once called the Rotunda. It lay nearly 150 feet beneath the surface, carved by ancient water long before any human ever set foot inside. The place was large enough to swallow our crates, lanterns, surveying tools, and food supplies without feeling crowded. 3 dark tunnels opened out of the chamber like waiting mouths, each one leading deeper into the unknown. The temperature stayed fixed at a cool 54 degrees Fahrenheit, no matter the season above. Our breath drifted in faint clouds, and the heavy humidity clung to our clothing. When anyone spoke, the sound bounced around in uncanny ways. Voices stretched, thinned, and sometimes came back as faint murmurs, as if someone else were whispering from far away. Wells, our teen leader, spent most of the first afternoon comparing his old field notes to new measurements. According to him, strange air currents were moving through the cave from somewhere deeper. That meant space, huge unmapped space, was waiting below us. Morrison, our photographer, complained that his glass plates kept fogging even when kept sealed. He swore something in the air was affecting them, though none of us could say what. On the second morning, we climbed into the upper passages, the ones that had been locked off years ago after several explorers vanished without explanation. Dust lay untouched on the floors, and the wooden barriers had rotted into brittle splinters. At first, everything looked ordinary. Narrow tunnels, mineral walls, nothing unusual. But the deeper we went, the more the cave seemed to change. Faint vibrations hummed through the stone, like the heartbeat of the earth itself. Near midday, we reached an elevated ledge overlooking a deep fissure. Cold air poured upward from the darkness, carrying an odd metallic scent. Wells insisted we lower a lantern to estimate the depth. As the lantern descended, its light twisted strangely, shrinking and stretching as if the darkness itself resisted it. Then, halfway down, the rope jerked violently. We froze. Another pull, harder this time, nearly ripped the lantern from Wells's hands. Morrison swore he saw movement below, something withdrawing into the shadows as the lantern swung. We didn't wait to investigate. We climbed back toward the rotunda in tense silence. By the time we reached camp, the strange air currents had grown stronger, whispering through the chamber like distant breathing. That night, long after the lantern